Hello? Oh.
I don't trust this roll.
Where's the back door? Oh, my bad. That's not a back door. That rotted out.
That's where the bathtub used to be.
Okay. What is up, ladies and gentlemen of YouTube? She doesn't want to be in the picture, so. Today we are venturing on into this. Looked like somebody tried to steal copper. Of course. But yeah, we found this across the, while exploring. You know how it is.
Okay, that's glass. It looks like snakeskin.
All right. Yeah, that's the bathroom. That's nothing that great. Oh, okay. Yeah.
Not too long ago they tried to fix it.
And they failed at it. Ooh. Oh, look, the 80s nostalgia. So yeah, if y'all try to venture on in places like this, beware there is snakes out. Damn. Well, there's the back door. Yeah, we're trying to be a little sneaky because it's right on the main road. My car's parked out there. And we're next to a house, so ain't trying to get caught.
I don't like these birds.
I ain't trying to have my light shone right there. Should do a low light. Ooh. Kitchen. Oh my God. Yeah, they tried to at least one time.
What, redo it?
There's old paint brushes and shit in there. But yeah, like I said, this is snake country, bear country, everything in between. Gotta love the East Coast. But yeah, there is a chance that, well, I don't know. This is actually not that bad.
That's not right. I'm putting in a box and you're doing that long again.
Yeah. What? Yeah, this is fun. Nice old house. I ain't going that way. Because again, we're right next to a house.
And snakes.
Yeah, I ain't trying to get bit today.
And the floor is sink.
Well, the floor is actually in decent shape for an old house.
And the sink over there.
Oh. Ugly purple. See, people stealing shit. No light switch.
I wouldn't mind living here when it was livable.
It was livable. With accessible roof. The hell?
What's up with those ceiling tiles?
It's
The houses we've been to lately have that shit.
like really.
They're businesses.
I know y'all didn't see that video. Kind of lost the video. We'll try to go back again and get it. But there's a house not too far from where we live that was a little older, but had ceiling tiles in it. We'll try to go back there later when it's not hot. Hello?
Oh, that door leads outside.
Yeah. Okay. All right.
It's a nice
Let's see if I can give y'all a better picture of the deck. I mean, it's massive. But yeah, I'm having to keep turning my light off because we're right there on the main road. And trust me, there's always somebody who's going to call a cop. But yeah, as always, don't forget to like, share, subscribe. My channel has been blowing up lately. Y'all probably can't see me. Don't forget to like, share, subscribe. And as always, I will catch y'all in the next video. Hopefully it won't take as long to get to the other one.